What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks, back for another Nike outlet video, guys. It's currently what day is it? It's Friday. It is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We're gonna go check out the Nike outlet in East LA. See what happens, you guys. It is Friends and Family Weekend, so I hope you guys used up your Friends and Family coupons. 30% off everything. Yeah, apparently it's random, so I didn't get one. Just crazy because I've already spent over $1,000 at Nike this year, so like y'all can't help your boy out. What's up with that? So yeah, either way, I'll stop bitching in a moment. Let's go see what's up. Let's go see if they got some steals and deals. Let's start with the size 10, 10.5. Not a good sign because you rarely ever see that many empty spots here, and there are a few. So not a good sign. It is 3 o'clock, so I'm sure there have been a lot of people here already today. All right, so did a quick little search. Okay, got the Bloodlines. This is the one with the really plush leather. Hella nice. The leather on the side panel here looks like the best leather though, and it looks like a different cut of leather from right there to right there. But I think that's pretty common with the Jordan 1s. So, but yeah, super plush, super nice. People have custom these. I think Hes Kicks did a little custom on this, made it into a Chicago colorway by painting all that. But yeah, $160. You got a friends and family coupon, totally worth it. Got the MTAs as usual, the More Than Athlete size 10. Going for, what's this bad boy going for? 200. This does not look like it has any of the accessories I mentioned before. It does come with this usually does have different covers, so you can write on the covers and a couple of Sharpies, but none of those are here. You got the More Than Athlete Air Force Ones. Pretty dope. Leather on these are pretty decent. Not the greatest. Not as nice as those Jordan 1s, but not bad. Going for retail though. That 30% off might be worth it. With friends and family. I have that extra laces too. The blue laces look better though. Legacy 312s going for size 10.5, going for $110, a little bit high. The Mars 270 going for $110, the Shadow Backboard colorway. As I throw things on the ground. Air Max 97 Clot going for what, $110. And we've seen these going for $80 at the clearance center, but not everybody has a clearance center near them, so it's all good. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Oh, that's not the right box. This is a Vapor Max. Did someone pull a switcheroo? Get these for a hella good price. Got the Zoom Freak ones going for $120. Okay. Well, make sure you get these hella big because those run hella small. Now that I think about it, this is where I saw the up tempos, right? Yeah, this is size 11. All right, let me try and see if I have a size 10.5. All right, let's go down. Oh, okay. Got the Neymars. I was about to go down in size, but got the Neymars, the Shocks, going for retail though, man. That's crazy. Air Force One. Got the Gore-Tex. Then go LeBron 10. Got the. Why am I blacking out on the name? Got the LeBron 10. John Elliott's. Why am I blacking out? What the hell's wrong with me? Yeah. Dang, size 10's going forever, man. 270 Mars go for $110. The fake you outs right here, the ones where they fucking trick you with the Jordan. What was that? The 29 box? No, it's a 31 box. Jordan 31, man. Yeah, they got these runners or something, and they're priced high, so man, 85. That's crazy. Oh, we're down to the size 9.5. Look. Oh, that's a women's, dude. Come on now, you guys. Yeah, size 8. Cool. That's a Jordan 7. Why am I showing you guys? Jordan 7, the patent. Is the women's size. Wait, go back to these. Wait, look, the Element React 55s. That's a pretty good price. $60, especially if you use your friends and family. That's not bad. These bad boys still sitting. The Air More Money Up Tempos still sitting at 200. Man, how you gonna get 200 for those? Some cleats, size 9.5 cleats. Hella cheap. $35, man. It's funny how they still have these for retail, man. These went on sale everywhere. Even on Nike, they were on sale for like 130 bucks. They still want retail though. That's crazy. Dang, tailwinds. If you do have your friends and family, that's make this $35. One of the cheapest tailwinds we've ever seen. Damn. Holy crap. Holy crap. That's crazy. KD Red. There's no way these are going for retail because these have been on sale at every Nike. Alright, I have no clue why this is in the size 8. But 60 bucks. 60 bucks for these if you use a coupon. If you use a coupon, man, get these for hella cheap. Hella cheap. Damn. I think like $42 if you use 30% off coupon. That's what's up. I guess we're on the 7.5. The Janowski mids. Pretty clean. Like a canvas. But they're hella clean, dude. Yeah, you cannot wear these if you have huge feet though, because your feet will look extra huge. 60 bucks. Look what we got our hands on here, size 8.5. I guess someone was trying to resell these, but nope, didn't work out. Did not work out. The wings, you guys, Jordan 10 wings. Got the icy bottoms. Oh, that looks dope. You can barely read it, but it does look dope. But I'm not a fan of the upper. The upper kind of mediocre. They have these little elastic bands on the front too. That's interesting. I think those are the same color as the upper usually on these. I don't know. I've never had a Jordan 10, so I don't know. I need to get me one. There's a couple different colorways I want, but I haven't seen them on sale. Let me know what you guys think. Not bad. I do like the 10s. Not bad. White, chrome, and black. The Air Jordan 1 Motos. These are the strap ones that are extra super duper high. Super duper high. Was this when he was doing his motorcycle? I think this was like designed for his motorcycle team or something. But yeah, 90 bucks. I forgot to show. That's a size 8. How are these going for so much still? The up-tempo 95s are in the size 8 sections. How is that still going for 129? Oh, this is size 6. We're just kind of all the smaller sizes kind of all mixed matched together. React 270. Never seen this colorway. Got like a leopard print type of thing on the front. Yeah, never seen that. That's interesting. Going for retail though. We don't do retail here. Got some LeBron Lakers colorways. A bunch of the LeBrons are on sale at Nike.com, so make sure you check Nike.com because I think the Oreo one was going for under 150. So those were hella cheap. I think these were like 180 or something. They were a little bit on sale, but not that much. Woo! Quick hands. But yeah, so make sure you guys check the website. These are going for 200, and with the friends and family coupon, it might be a little bit cheaper, but yeah, check the Nike website just in case. Alright, not much in the smaller sizes. Let's go see what's up in the bigger ones. And I'm gonna try not to get hit by a ball. Didn't I just see that other one marked for 60? I think it was the same size too, wasn't it? Yeah, this is size 9. This is going for 90. That's crazy. Yeah, make sure you check different sizes because sometimes the prices are different. I'll bet it's a cheaper price. They just didn't mark this one. The shattered backboard still sitting, size 10.5. We're in the 11 section, but still chilling. Jordan 7 reflective, still chilling. Look at this. This might be the cheapest ever. Because if you use your friends or family coupon on this, 25 bucks, that goes down to, what, I don't know, $17? No, 15. I don't know, man. That goes cheap as hell, dude. It goes cheap as hell. 5, 15. Yeah, it'd be $7.50 off. So 15, 17. Oh, I'm retarded. I don't know, but it'd be cheap as hell. Size 12.5, you guys. These are the infrareds, right? Infrareds. Oh, kind of similar to. These are the PSGs, but it has a lace lock and stuff. Kind of. This is supposedly inspired by the Jordan 6 infrareds. So the color scheming is kind of similar, and then it also comes with a lace lock. Never seen. I'm trying to remember if there's been any Jordans with or LeBrons with lace locks. But yeah, it even has his own little logo on it. Kind of cool. Doing something different. I like it. And even that lion, that's pretty dope with the red eyes on it. Pretty crazy. But yeah, I don't know about the price though, because I think these are what, $2? $2, maybe with the 2 bills. Maybe with the friends and family coupon might be worth it. Might be worth it. So still in the size 12. Check out these out. 135. What? These were 100 everywhere. That's crazy. We just saw that at the Long Beach outlet. The YouTubes going for retail. Okay. I think we saw these at retail at the Long Beach store as well. Okay, they got a bunch of these up tempo size 13s. Guess we made it to size 13s. 80 bucks. Get 30% off with that coupon. And then these Legacy 312s that landed right on my lap go for 65. So I guess it is 65 with 20% off. Or 30% off if you have the friends and family coupon. That's Air Max Oquitos. These are like the budget ones. 25 bucks. Crazy cheap. Okay, we did get a size 12. Look at that. The Flight Positive's going for 70 bucks. 70 bucks if you use the coupon. It goes under 50 bucks. Friends and family coupon just goes under 50 bucks. That is what's up. That's what's up. The Flight Posits. Dang, there's like literally no size 12s, man. Just that little area right there. They do have some of the KD12, the red joints, but that's about it. That's about it. There's nothing else in size 12. All right, not much in the clearance section, you guys. We should be checking the aisles anyway, since the aisles, this is the opportunity to use the aisle, especially with that 30% off friends and family coupon. Let's check the aisles, you guys. They never have anything in the Jordan section here. So yeah, so let's look around everywhere else. Dude got the BB4 shocks. Seen these at a bunch of places. Rise, the Zoom Rise TBs.
Yes, sir.
I don't know, I was talking trash about these, but what's his name? Nightwing from Wear Tester said this is actually a really good basketball sneaker. Air Force Max 2s, 75, not bad. Not bad. Full length there. I can't believe I bought these a long time ago. These are the Air Max Torch 3s. I just use them as beaters now. But yeah, they're $39.99. That's hella cheap. Got the Ebernon lows. These are the wannabe Jordan 1 lows. Dude, the leather is actually not terrible. It's actually not bad. Look at that, man. Not bad, but 50 bucks, man. Normally 80, what, 85, 75? 85. I've never seen it for 85, but yeah. SBs, the Janowski Max. SB Check Solars. More SB Check Solars. SB FC Standards. These are some canvas sneakers. Got some suede on them too. Not bad, not bad. Not good for wide footers. It doesn't look good for wide footers, but hella cheap, 40 bucks, man. I thought these were the same sneakers as that last one, but yeah, these are some Check Solar canvas. These are probably better for wide footers. It looks like it's a little bit wider. But yeah, the canvas sneakers, pretty cheap, 35 bucks, can't beat that. I think these are the cheapest we've ever seen the Flight Trap 2s, huh? Got some more going for a hell of a good price too. Dang, not bad for a hooping option for you guys. Damn, if you got your friends and family coupon, this is what to use it on right here. Full box, get everything. They got everywhere from size 8 all the way to size 13, man. These are dope. I'm a huge fan of these. I just don't have a friends and family coupon. So, I don't know. We'll see. Might get one in the future. I don't know. We'll see, man. These are hella dope. Hella dope. This is Scottie Pippen's colorway right here, man. This is Scottie Pippen's colorway. Man, it's such a classic shoe. And this has like some nubuck. Has a mixture of nubuck. All the up-tempos got slightly different materials, but yeah, this nubuck on the bottom, buck in the middle right there. And these are they're sturdy as hell, man. These things will last forever. But yeah, 80 bucks, especially with that 30% off coupon, drops it down to what, $48 something, $49. Not bad at all. Got the KD12, the black cement colorway. Got the Black History Month Air Force Ones, dude. And this is the interesting one where it's just a clip, but the clip is magnetized. So if it even just gets close to each other, it'll clip by itself. Yeah, pretty cool though. Interesting design. Kind of gives me the Black History Month Jordan 2 vibe with this type of stuff. But this is done a lot better though. It is done a lot better. I do prefer this one. $150, still too high though. Still too high. But they got everywhere from size 7 all the way to size 14. Plenty available. Air Max Plus. Got the Tailwinds. Pretty decent price. We saw these for way cheaper. Where did we just see this for way cheaper? Was that the Citadel? I know we saw these for way cheaper though. 720s, always going for a good price. We got the 270 Reacts. 270 Reacts. That's a pretty good price. I think we saw these for cheaper though, right? I think we saw these for like $59.99 at the last place I went to. The Air Max 200s. These are all going down. These all will continue to go down because nobody buys them. All right, I'm not really gonna cover the men, the kids or the women's because I'm kind of strapped for time, so I'm gonna head out. But look, it says $45 right there, $44.99, and then it says $54.99. Oh man, that's hilarious. That's hilarious. All of them are marked exactly the same. If you can get it for $44.99 with that 30% off, man, that's a steal right there. That's a steal. But yeah, not much heat in the women's section. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Wrap it. Wait, I didn't see this deal. This is hella crazy because look, $100 for these. Special fees for friends and family. This is a crazy deal. Got plenty of sizes. This is even crazier, especially with the 30% off, full box and everything. And then this Air Max 97 is even crazier. Holy crap. Dang, it just keeps going down and down. Crazy. Use that friends and family. I didn't even show you guys that I'm wearing PSG 6s, Jordan 6 PSGs. Hella dope. Got a crazy deal at the clearance center. I want to hear from you guys how the Nike outlets were in your neck of the woods this weekend, because I don't know. I feel like this is the 4th outlet that I went to during Friends and Family weekend, and I didn't really find shit. Like, I didn't really find much. Like, nothing. Like, I wanted to argue and say, hey, hook it up with the coupon, but they didn't even have nothing worth getting. So yeah, I don't know. Is it just me? Is it just me? Am I just bad luck this weekend? I don't know. Let me know. Good. But I also wasn't able to get to the outlet at 10 in the morning, and usually I always tell you guys, hey, get to the outlet super early. So maybe that's it. But usually we find other stuff. I don't know. But yeah, sorry I wasn't able to get a big old W. But it is what it is. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys go ahead, press that like button, help your boy out. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and make sure you guys subscribe. What are you waiting for? Drop a lot of videos. I do Nike outlet videos. That's what you guys like, right? So yeah, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Press that notification button too. And yeah, see you guys next one. Peace. Oh man, it gets stuck in so much traffic. Yeah. Oh well. At least have a car that works right now. Yeah.